Here are the top 5 saddest cats that will melt your heart. 5. The lonely stare. This kitty looks like it's waiting for someone who never came home. 4 tears in the eyes. Sometimes cats feel just like we do. 3. The shelter cat. Looking out, hoping for a forever family. 2. The rainy day kitty, shivering but still holding on. The goodbye look. Nothing hits harder than a cat saying farewell. Cats may not speak our language, but their eyes tell us everything. Which one touched your heart the most? Subscribe and comment below.